just reading book.
This afternoon, I want to visit at your house. Can you give me the complete address of your house?
Of course you can, but my address is a bit complicated. I live in Kosambi. It is nearby here. If you want to go to my house, you go to my house by public transportation or motorcycle.
I will go to your house by motorcycle.
Okay, you can strike until Bun Hospital. Then there you will find T junction. You can turn right when go straight for about 150 meters. Next you will find SDN Kosambi 3. You inside and you will find my house.
Okay, I will go to your house later. Thank you, Angel.
Yes, Tanya, you're welcome. By the way, might I ask you,
Yes, of course. You can, Angel. What do you want to ask?
do you have hobbies?
Yes, my hobby is watching Korean dramas about romance in Korean dramas, which I think is the best, and I can see handsome oppa.
Can you give me what the title your favorite drama and why?
My favorite title is Beverly because I like the story they are telling about love and funny. The Korean language is very nice, and Korean is one of the country I like, and Korean is many delicious food.
Wow, awesome.
Thank you, Angel. See you.
See you later.